Hey folks, it's Marcus here at UK Barbecue School, and today I'm going to smoke up some blue cheese stuffed moinks. So moinks are a wonderful barbecue little morsel. They are bacon wrapped around some nice minced beef, and then you can stuff them with something. Here I'm going for some nice blue cheese Stilton, which is going to add a nice rich flavour. I've got some lovely dry aged beef mince from my local farm shop here, and I'm going to be smoking these on the Borniak smoker with a bit of cherry smoke. So I'm going for some of these lovely cherry chips. Load up the hopper with cherry. Cherry's one of my favourite smokes. It's a beautiful smoking wood, and it'll give a nice colour, sweetness. So set the temperature. I'm going to go for 150. And this lovely dry aged. Make a nice pocket for that blue cheese. Smooth it round, and then wrap with the bacon, pulling it nice and firmly around like that. There we go. Decent size these are. The blue cheese, the slightly funky taste is going to work really well with the dry aged beef here. I find it's a great combination, and one of my favourite things, blue cheese and dry aged beef. It's just delicious. You just want to make sure that any bits, any seams are just sealed over. So I'm going to go for something nice and simple. A bit of this Texas Suckle Busters SPG. Just a little dusting of that. Not too much because the bacon's quite salty, just so it seasons up that beef a little bit. Okay, so these are ready to go on now. The smoke is smelling amazing from here. I love that cherry. And let's pop these on the lowest level here. Okay, so we're going to make ourselves a little glaze for the moinks. I'm going to go for some chipotle barbecue sauce. I'm not a fan of a lot of barbecue sauces, but if it's got chipotle in, it's going to be a winner for me. A little bit of sweetness of maple syrup. Chipotle, maple glaze for those moinks. Nice glaze with this chipotle and maple syrup over. It's just for a bit of sweetness. Bit of shine. Okay, so the bacon's nice and crispy. Let's have a cut in and see how we've done with these. Oh yeah, blue cheese on the inside there. Nice and pink. So this was freshly, freshly minced, this burger mince, so it's really good quality this morning. Oh wow. That is so juicy, that is delicious. The blue cheese works really well with the dry aged beef. There's a little bit of sweetness from the smoke, the cherry, and the dry rub's not overpowering, and that lovely glaze, the chipotle maple glaze over the top, works a treat. So that is a beautiful moink, and yeah, with blue cheese. Cheers.